Hey everyone, I'm Jon Blair from Grow CFO. We're the QBO migration partner to Luminous. Today I'm going to walk you through our proven QBO migration process that we've used to successfully serve brands like Fathead and Hulking. All right, so here's the thing. There's more than one way to do a general ledger migration. You can do a transactional migration or you can do a trial balance migration. Most firms will try to sell you a transactional migration. Transactional meaning they will pull every general ledger transaction going back as far as you want to go and attempt to import them into QuickBooks. Here's the problem. It doesn't work. It costs an arm and a leg. And at the end of the day, the project never gets done. How do I know? I've gone through this firsthand at a brand that I helped start and scale called Guardian Bikes. I went through 2 failed transactional QBO migrations that ultimately my team had to just jump in, take over, and execute what we call a trial balance migration. What does a trial balance migration mean and why does it matter to you? Trial balance migration means we go back as far as you want us to, and we pull in the monthly historical totals for your key financial statements, your profit and loss, your balance sheet, and your cash flow statement. This process allows us to execute a multi-year QBO migration in as little as 30 to 60 days. You might be wondering, well, what about all of the transactional data that I'm leaving behind in NetSuite? Well, the good news is that's why we've partnered with Luminous. Luminous is able, in their operating system migration, to pull over all the key sales data that you need historically to help drive forward-looking decisions as you continue to improve the way that you run your business's operations post-migration. So they've got you handled there. What about getting audited by the IRS? I get this question all the time. What if I need my general ledger transactional data to help substantiate requests from an auditor? This is why we help you export all of your historical general ledger transactions and store them on whatever application you use for file storage. What we're able to do with this process is give you the best of both worlds. 1, a quick, efficient, and accurate migration. 2, access to transactional data if needed for an audit trail, but most importantly, get you moved over to QuickBooks Online plus Luminous quickly and efficiently so you can right-size your tech stack and move on to scaling your business. If you're interested in learning more on how we can get your general ledger migrated to QuickBooks Online, book a discovery call. We'll scope out your needs and we're gonna get you off NetSuite.